Okay, so let's run the agent and do the same prerequests. Connect, run the machine, start the machine, make sure that the host name, the fully qualified domain name and everything is okay. IP addresses, put the IP addresses in the hosts file, etc. or etc, etc host name. Make sure all this is done. Cron is running as well. So that's it. And once we have the prerequests on the master and on the agent, I'll start with the installation of the master. I'll go back to this installation. For now, I'll check and make sure that everything is fine on the agent. So, Puppet agent 01 local domain, and this is the IP address. Stoyan password. It's very heavy lifting for my machine. These virtual machines are very difficult to be handled. SU minus password, and I'm a root right now. So let me read the tutorial. So if you don't like your host name, which you have given to your machine, you can change the host name by hostname ctl set hostname hostname. This is the host name which you have to type. So probably I should type it. Clear. And if you want to change it, hostname ctl set hostname, and in this case, if I want to switch it to something, I can type puppet agent 02 if I like. Local domain, I'm not gonna do it right now. Okay, and after that we have to edit etc hosts file. So it's very easy for me without DNS server to reach master and the puppet. So let me do that. The etc hosts hosts. This is what I need, and I'm pressing I, letter I, local domain. I'll leave this loopbacks, and now I have 10.0.0.0.5 as far as I remember. Let me look it again. It's called Puppet Master local domain. Yeah, it's 5. Puppet, oops. Puppet Master local domain, and the alias will be master only. And here we have 006 is gonna be puppet agent 01 local domain agent 01 okay, puppet agent 01 local domain puppet master. Okay, control C column W, control C column Q, clear. Okay, that's done. I can even see hosts, cut etc hosts, and here we go. We have it. This is done. Now let's continue. Save and close. System, restart system. Okay, let's restart that. System ctl restart. System D hostname name D. Okay, has been restarted. So hostname, and this is what I expected. Puppet agent. Let me ping just for fun. Agent 01. Here we go. It's pinging itself. I don't have another machine running, so I cannot ping the master. So let me try again. Hostname minus F, not ping, but hostname -f is gonna give me the same thing. Now let's install the cronny step NTP server. DNF install cronny. DNF install cronny. Now I have to press yes several times, so let me prepare myself for that. And we'll have two machines ready to go. Yes, which is not very well seen, but it expects from me to type EY. I don't see if the installation is going on or what is going on at all. I'm gonna press Y again, enter. So probably was waiting for me to press Y. And I did it. Key imported successfully. Running transaction check, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so it's happening. Thing that let me check again with Y. Okay, so clear that. Cronny has been installed. Now just take a look. Cronny v etc. Cronny conf, and we have one server which is pool to CentOS blah blah. Control C, column Q, clear, and I'm back to the end. So systemctl start cronny, systemctl start cronny d systemctl start cronny, systemctl enable cronny, and systemctl status cronny. Okay, clear. What? Clear. Okay, probably I pressed the wrong button. It doesn't matter. Puppet repository CentOS 8. This is the longest typing. Unfortunately, I cannot. Pardon me. Let me try this. I saw clipboard. Copy here. Let's use CentOS clipboard. Type clipboard. Control V. No. What else do I have here? Capture screen. No, I don't want to capture screen right now, so let me type it. Sudo rpm -ubh https yellow doc update manager. Come on. Caps lock has been pressed. Sudo rpm Red Hat package manager ubh https yellow doc update manager puppet.com puppet 6 release el8 no arc rpm hopefully that works, and I didn't make mistake. DNF repo list. Let me take a look here and make sure that this repository exists so I can install the Puppet agent later on. Okay, so what's going on here? Puppet 6 repository, so I have it. Now disable SE Linux, make sure that is disabled, and continue with that. Disable, so the etc sysconfig sysconfig Linux. Okay, so disable it. I disable it. Control C column right, Control C column quit, clear, so I can see the comments. Sudo reboot. Okay, so let me first cat etc sysconfig sysconfig Linux. Okay, is disabled. Sudo reboot set status, just to make sure it's disabled, and after that I will continue with the installation of the master configuration server. Okay, set status, set Linux status. Okay, let's see, come on, run. Hopefully it's not gonna take too much time, 11 minutes, so that's it. Come on, set status, Stoyan, password, sudo password, set status disabled. Okay, so shut the machine down now. Before that, I want to make sure that I have installed everything. So the prerequests for the agent are done. Shut down. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna close this. Let me see how I'm doing with the resources. It's relatively okay. So CentOS agent. I can stop the video now and continue with the installation.